So you're looking for a contractor, but you're wondering if Southwest Exteriors is a good fit for you. Well, by the end of this video, we're going to look at 3 different factors that you should consider when thinking about any contractor, and specifically when working with Southwest Exteriors. By the end, you'll know whether you want to give us a call or not. Hi, I'm Steve McNary with Southwest Exteriors. When looking to pay a professional contractor, you want to know that you're going to get your money's worth and be satisfied with the end result. Feeling confident in the contractor you choose is important. We here at Southwest Exteriors want to make sure we're a good fit for you just as much as we want to make sure you're a good fit for us. So we're going to look at 3 different factors today that we think you need to consider when choosing any contractor to work on your home. They are: what company values are important to you, what are your goals for the project, and what is the budget for your project. Let's take some time together and dive right in. Before getting into whether Southwest Exteriors is a good fit for you or not, we thought you might want to get to know who we are a little bit. Southwest Exteriors has been locally owned and operated for over 30 years. And what tends to set us apart from the others in San Antonio is our purpose. We are a purpose-driven company. And our purpose is to transform lives by transforming homes for the glory of God. In other words, we're going to be with you in this project for life. Being a purpose-driven company, that means that we value you more than the transaction or the sale. Now, we are a business, so we need to make a financial profit in order to continue to be in business and serve and grow other clients. However, financial profit is not our number-1 goal here at Southwest Exteriors. Our number-1 goal is to make sure that in the process, you are educated as a homeowner on different products that are available for you, the different services that are available to you, and then a little bit about who we are. We feel that if you learn those things, then you can make a proper decision on whether we're a good fit for you or not. If your goal is to replace your windows with the quickest and least expensive option, and you're not concerned about the longevity of the product, then we may not be right for you. Part of our 4 C's is craftsmanship. The craftsmanship that goes into the installation is extremely important for a proper installation and to ensure that you do not run into any problems in the future. Because of this, we need to take our time. Rushing through an installation can only result in mistakes and missteps in the process. It comes down to whether you are looking for a short-term solution to a project versus a long-term investment. If a thought-out, quality project from the initial inspection to after the installation is what you are wanting, then Southwest Exteriors may be right for you. If you are looking for the least expensive option for your project, we're probably not the right contractor for you. We're not the cheapest contractor out there. There are a lot of companies that advertise a window replacement for only $199 a window, and that is pretty inexpensive. When considering the cost of a project, it's extremely important to look at all that goes into the cost. A window advertised for only $199 might be true, but more often than not, fees are going to be stacked on top of that for installation and labor and warranties. And although Southwest Exteriors is on the higher end for home remodeling services, what you are paying for is incomparable to other companies. When you have a consultation with us, we provide you with the exact penny price it is going to cost you for your project. And that includes the product, labor, installation, and a lifetime warranty on top of all that. If price range is the most important factor to you to choose the right contractor for your project, make sure you're looking into what all is included in that price. When looking for a contractor for your next project, remember to consider what values you're looking for in a company, your goals for the project, and how much you are looking to pay. It's also important to rely on real client reviews when researching contractors. Resources like Yelp, Google Reviews, Angie's List are helpful to read company ratings and see what clients have experienced. With Southwest Exteriors, our purpose above all else is to serve you. We understand in the world of sales there's a tone of distrust. So our goal is to be open and honest with you about everything so that you know all you need to know about your project and our processes. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of Southwest Exteriors is the right contractor for your project. Thank you for checking out this video. If you want more information, head on over to our Learning Center at southwestexteriors.com. There's a lot of great content over there. So if Southwest Exteriors sounds like a good fit for you, fill out the form on our website to schedule a free consultation today.